shit. Staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island. Turn that nigga giving time. Personal problems till we're talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to used to be. This shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know I'm the base and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook press put on their neck and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know how that go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play though. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low.
For this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that job, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected, and she popped the Tesla, now she gonna electric. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chop, yeah. I pop out, get ghosts on the bitch, you don't know where I went. They follow my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in it, out spilling in the new designer gear by coaster. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murk, some call them smokers. Young nigga have motion, you don't make sure the car get me. Hit a 360, windmill when I left the seat. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jewelry, make a business sex. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chop, yeah.
Brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many rats, a bitch can't even see the floor. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth.